Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. It's the battle of the cameras. On the left, we have the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera, and on the right, we have the virtavo security camera's wireless outdoor. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's talk about the first category, price. The Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera comes in at a cool $39, while the virtavo security camera's wireless outdoor is slightly pricier at $49. So if you're on a tight budget, the Blink Mini might be the way to go. Now let's move on to the features. The Blink Mini offers 360 degrees coverage, allowing you to see every nook and cranny of your room. It also has HD day and infrared night view, so you won't miss a thing even in the dark. On the other hand, the virtavo security cameras boast 1080p Full HD resolution and starlight color night vision. You'll be able to spot even the tiniest detail, even in low-light conditions. So if you're a stickler for image quality, the virtavo might be your best bet. Time to talk about ease of use. The Blink Mini is a breeze to set up. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the instructions in the Blink app. Simple as that? On the other hand, the virtavo security cameras also offer easy installation with their 100% wire-free design. Plus, they have a long battery life, so you won't have to worry about frequent charging. Both cameras excel in this category, so it's a tie. Let's move on to motion detection. The Blink Mini provides real-time motion alerts on your smartphone, allowing you to react and engage from anywhere. Meanwhile, the virtavo security cameras take it up a notch with advanced PIR detection and smart algorithms. You'll receive instant notifications once suspicious motion is detected. So if you want that extra layer of security, the virtavo cameras have got you covered. Last but not least, let's talk about the extra features. The Blink Mini works seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to stream live view, arm and disarm your camera, and more. It also offers two-way communication, so you can see, hear, and speak to people and pets through the Blink app. On the other hand, the virtavo security cameras also support two-way talk and device sharing with up to 5 users simultaneously. Plus, they have Alexa integration as well. It's a tie in this category. Both cameras have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Whether you prioritize price, image quality, ease of use, motion detection, or additional features, we hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera and the virtavo security camera's wireless outdoor. Both cameras have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Whether you prioritize price, image quality, ease of use, motion detection, or additional features, we hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping!